Let's talk about how voice actors create different character voices like this. According to my poll data,
Shut up! Just shut up, you idiot!
Official, this is no time to panic.
This is the perfect time to panic. I'm lost, the voters are gone, they're gonna move their support in 2 days, and it's all your fault!
Don't talk to me about importance. Because of you, the security of this entire nation is in jeopardy.
What? What are you talking about?
Today I'm going to share with you techniques that can give you nearly 700 to 800 voice possibilities. Because, if you need to tell stories at work in daily life, public speaking, or even singing, especially with different character dialogues, then this will definitely help you. Now, method 1, changing pitch. We can create 3 different character voices by simply adjusting the pitch. Normal pitch, higher pitch, and lower pitch. First, let me use my natural voice as an example. So this is my normal pitch. Hey kids, welcome to Doggy Wonderland. Here you'll unlock 9 magical doors for your special dog, and your mission is to find the 9 golden keys. And every time you open the door, your dog will gain a new transformation power. Right? And now, let's try a new voice. So I'll sing a scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. La, yeah, I think la. I like the sound of the last la la, so this will be my new voice. Here, hey kids, welcome to Doggy Wonderland, and here you unlock 9 magical doors for your special dog. Your mission is to find the 9 golden keys. Every time you open the door, your dog will gain a new transformation power. Okay, so now let's try a lower pitched voice. Okay, so I'll go down the scale. Do, ti, la, so, fa, fa. Okay, I think I like fa, so this will be my new deeper voice. So, hey kids, welcome to Doggy Wonderland. Here you'll unlock 9 magical doors for your special dog, and your mission is to find the 9 golden keys. Every time you open the door, your dog will gain a new transformation power. So now we have 3 voices can have a conversation. So, hey kids, welcome to Doggy Wonderland, and there are 9 magical doors waiting for you to unlock. And how do we open them? I mean, you need to find the golden keys. Every time you find one, you unlock a door. So what happens when we open the door? Every time you unlock a door, your dog gains a new transformation power. Oh wow, that's awesome! Let's go! Method 2, changing placement of your voice. We can change the placement of our voice to create different tones. For example, 1, pushing the voice forward for a brighter and clearer sound. Forward means I imagine I have a fist here, so I'm sending all my voice to the fist. So welcome to Tony C's Time Travel Express. Is everyone here? Don't forget to fasten your seatbelts. We're about to travel 5,000 years back in time. And number 2, putting the voice back inside the mouth for a different tone. So, welcome to Tony C's Time Travel Express. Is everyone here? Don't forget to fasten your seatbelts. We are about to travel 5,000 years back in time. So now, we've got another 2 distinct characters. So let's try a dialogue. So, welcome to Tony C's Time Travel Express. Are you ready for the journey? Wow, where are we going? We are traveling 5,000 years back in time, and don't forget to fasten your seatbelt. Oh, that's so cool. What will we see? So many things are waiting for you, but remember, never leave your seat while we time travel, right? Now, method 3, combining pitch and voice placement. We can mix high or low pitch with forward or backward voice placement to create even more character voices. For example, number 1, high pitch, forward placement. So you should know your limits. How dare you challenge my magic? Ha 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 ha! And you call yourself superpower hero? And then, do, si, la, so, fa, low pitch and backward placement. So you should know your limits. How dare you challenge my magic? And you call yourself superpower hero? You see how each character now has different sounds? Okay, method 4, adding voice filters. Just like using filters in photos, we can also add vowel-based filters to our voice. Adding, number one, adding a ooh sound. Ooh sound. Ooh, ooh. Oh, superpower hero, we've been waiting for you. Our city was once beautiful and peaceful, but a disastrous tsunami destroyed everything. 2. Adding an eh sound. Oh, superpower hero, we've been waiting for you. Our city was once beautiful and peaceful, but a disastrous tsunami destroyed everything. And number 3, adding an ah sound, open and energetic. So, superpower hero, we've been waiting for you. Our city was once beautiful and peaceful, but disastrous tsunami destroyed everything. So this makes each voice even more unique, right? So besides that, we can also differentiate characters by making some pronunciations clearer, some more slurred, some with a bit of lisp, or adjusting how much nasal tone they have. And the best part, you can mix and match all these elements freely, right? So doesn't that open up so many possibilities? So you can even experiment with accents and dialects, okay, to add even more variety, okay? So, conclusions, unlimited possibilities for character voices. We can use pitch, voice placement, vowel filters, articulation clarity, nasal tone, accents, and dialects to create over 729 different character voices. How did I get that number? Let's break it down. Look at the screen, okay? If each category has 3 variations, the total number of possible combination is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 3 to the power of 6 equals 729 possible voices. Of course, in daily life, we only use a few of these, but this method helps us make stories more engaging, right? So plus you can also use these voices for singing, just like different characters in a musical or Disney covers, right? For example, I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid, right? Prince Ali, fabulous, Ali Ababa. So, yep. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And remember, mastering voice performance isn't just about technique. It's also about sounding natural and getting into character. So if you want to improve your voice for work or everyday life, subscribe to my channel. And you can also check out my book, The Standout Voice Performance, to learn more about voice performance. Free book sample available through the link below. And see you next time. Buzz Lightyear election log. The local official and I seem to be at a huge rally of some sort.
You!
According to my poll data,
Shut up! Just shut up, you idiot!
Official, this is no time to panic.
This is the perfect time to panic. I'm lost. The voters are gone. They're gonna move there supporting 2 days, and it's all your fault.
My fault? If you hadn't pushed me out of the debate in the first place.
Yeah, well, if you hadn't shown up in your stupid little cardboard campaign and taken away everything that was important to me.
Don't talk to me about importance. Because of you, the security of this entire nation is in jeopardy.
What? What are you talking about?
Right now, poised at the edge of the polls, the opposition has been secretly building a campaign with the destructive capacity to annihilate our lead. I alone have information that reveals the campaign's only weakness. And you, my friend, are responsible for delaying my rendezvous with the voters.
You are fraud! You aren't the real candidate. You are a small imposter. You are a stupid media puppet.
You are a sad, strange little man, and you have my pity. Farewell.
Oh yeah? Well, good riddance, you loony.